Hello and welcome. My name is Jared and this is my channel, Jared Tech and Things. On this channel I will be reviewing PCs, PC components, consumer electronics, just about anything electronic related of course. And I'll be doing some gaming videos and live streams. Today's video is going to be a budget system based off the Ryzen 3 processor. Let's dig in. Our processor is the AMD Ryzen 3 1200 at 3.1 GHz base clock. It does boost to 3.4 with adequate cooling, and it does come with the Wraith Stealth cooler, $109. For our motherboard, we have an ASRock AB350M Micro ATX AM4 motherboard, $60. You're not going to get any two-way graphics cards configuration on this board. It only has 1x16 slot, but it does have an Ultra M.2 on it, surprisingly, at this price point. For the memory, we have one stick of G.Skill Ripjaws 5 series at 8 GB, running at DDR4 2666 MHz. The hard drive is a Western Digital Carver Blue 1 TB 3.5 inch, running at 7200 RPM. $40. Our graphics card is the EVGA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti at 4 GB, SC Gaming ACX 2.0 video card. EVGA, please come up with a better naming convention for your coolers, please. And the case, we have the Fractal Design Core 2300 ATX mid-tower case at $40. It's a good little case. It comes with two fans, one on the rear for exhaust, one on the front for intake. All around, pretty good price point for this case. And our power supply is the EVGA B 450 watt, 80 plus bronze certified, fully modular ATX power supply at $50. Now the cables for this power supply are braided, and the wires are black, not the ketchup and mustard colors you'd see on cheaper power supplies or some other power supplies at this price point, which is really good, especially if you have a window case. Now for this build, I did opt in to drop in Windows 10, $92, well $93 if you round up the change. You can get this cheaper through a website called kingwin.net. However, you do take a risk going to this website. The keys you can buy from there may be fraudulent or stolen, but if you opt in for the buyer protection, which is only a few dollars, the people that run that website will either give you a refund or you will get another key from the seller. Just be careful when you go there. Another way you can run Windows, you can just install it. Well, first download it to a USB stick and then install it and run it non-activated, but you're not able to use the personalization features in Windows 10. That's the only thing that I'm aware of you can't do. So in total, including the operating system, total build comes to $610.61. Not bad for this tower if you already have a monitor and keyboard and mouse you want to use. Well, this has been my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy it, give me a like and subscribe. And if you didn't like it, give me that thumbs down. And leave comments. Tell me how I did, tell me where I can improve, and give me some ideas for another video. Again, thank you for watching, and have a great day.